YouTube. I'm gonna be unboxing my new DL60 SOCOM from ASG, Action Sport Games. I got this from a store called wasteland.no. Only like Norwegian people, Swedish people, Danish people, basically Scandinavian people would have heard about this site if they use airsoft guns. Got it for around, I think, 45 bucks. So now I'm gonna open it up, see how it is. Now on a side note, this is a Springer pistol. That tape, so much tape, freaking packaging. This came by mail really quickly, even though we're on the other side of the country. But now that is some big packaging right there. And look at here. Here we got the DL60. That's sweet looking. You got your shipping invoice papers. And here we are. It's pretty damn heavy, guys. It's about 1 kilo. Yeah. Almost 2 pounds, so actually over 2 pounds. So you got your stuff here, got your gun, sweet looking, nice box. Comes with the silencer, that's sweet. Hop up, and this is based on a MK23 SOCOM. And now we're gonna open it. Oh wow, you know what I hate when they do that? They tape it. Look at this. They tape that. That's ridiculous. It's done now. And voila. Sweet. Let's first look at the manual, which is a full manual. That's great. I recommend these BBs. Pretty sweet. This gun you get says weighs 650 grams with .38 joule ABS plastic and 13 capacity magazine. Got your instructions here. What's that? Instruction how to clean the barrel. Okay. Your stupid instructions, not in color, doesn't matter. Do not shoot any human or animal, whatever. Don't shoot yourself. And your gun, how it looks, whatever. Yeah, by Action Sport Games. The real DL60s produces a firearm, no shit. And you got like this outer stuff to protect, I'm guessing, from a lot of stuff. So it looks awesome. So now I'm gonna remove this. Cut that. That's ass. I don't even know about Cyma, but Cyma has this kind of stuff too. Alright, a better way to open this. Poke a hole. There we go. And just tear it open from there. Look at all this shipping packaging. Alright, that is the box. Here is a sample BBs, which you can see if they suck or not. Goldfire. Okay, Goldfire is good. Never mind. Good. Oh my god, check it out. 0.20 grams BBs, really sweet. Are these like the good? These have to be like the first good BBs I've ever gotten as a starter of a gun. A lot of them too. Now we've got the silencer. It requires a hefty amount to pull out. Check it out, that's a huge silencer. Damn. Looks perfect. Yeah. Woo, nice. It's plastic, but feels okay. I wish they made a little bit more room to pull it out, but this is better than nothing. And now we have to the final freaking thing. Hold up. Whoa, that is a huge pistol, I have to say. Dude, that's sick. Here's your safety, I think. I think that's your safety. Yeah, it is. But how do you do this? No idea. So yeah, it's a double action. It means when you pull it, it does that, or you can pull that back. It goes anyway. Looks like it has a open chamber. See if it's hard to pull back. Oh jeez. Oh damn, that's hard to pull back. But you can see it has an open chamber. Now for the mag release. See this? Whoa, it's a nice magazine. It's pretty heavy. It's one of those that you just pop BBs in, you don't have to pull down anything. So, goes in really nicely. Iron sights, they're clear. Let me just get a... There you go. It's a pretty big pistol, fits nicely in my hand at least. Heard it's not very good for others, but yeah. You have your crap here, ASG. I'm pretty sure this is the disassembly pin. You have your under rail here for mounts like lasers or flashlights or whatever. Okay. Oh yeah, this is also a, I don't know how to say it, where you can use, where both lefties and righties can use this, because you have your ejection port here as well. Okay, one thing which is really awesome. Before I put that back, comes with what I think is a cleaning rod. I think that's a cleaning rod or something. Maybe an unjammer. That's what I think it is. I think it's an unjammer. So what you got to do is you got to just pop it in here and unjam your BB. I guess it's useful in combat. Fits perfectly in. Good. Really nice plastic. It feels like the trigger is metal. The hammer is plastic, I think. The disassembly pin is metal. Yeah, look at that screw here. The ejection thing is metal. Magazine is plastic with a big weight inside. And yeah, I'm pretty sure there's some metal interiors as well. Yeah, you can see the outer barrel is metal. Alright, and that's the unboxing of this ASG DL60 with everything. And see you guys later.